Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you are doing well and learning a lot from my tutorials. So in the previous video, I got a lot of positive comments and people loved the tutorial that I have created on the ultimate member user registration forms. Okay, so this time I thought I should give a better version of the user login and provide more options and features. Okay, so here I just bought a form which is actually a tabbed style, and you can see here I have shown the three tabs: the login, register and forget password. So basically here I use the shortcuts, and this time we will not be creating any pages. Okay, and under this login you will see here the nice input fields. Okay, completely customized using the CSS classes, the login button, and I have added the social logins. Okay, and still this is the different method to add the social login. You just need to set up some things inside your developer console, and then you can use the next gen login social login plugin. Okay, and everything will be done. And then we have this register page, and you will see here the info fields as your username, email, password, confirm password, create account. Okay, and here under this forget password you can enter your email to reset the password. Okay, and everything will be according to the WordPress. And here this is not just the login. I have created an advanced version of the dashboard. So when user login, let me show you. Just click on login and you will see here nice advanced dashboard you have ever seen in the WordPress. Okay, and this is basically designed using the simple plugin that we always use throughout the tutorial. Okay, and no need of any expensive plugins. So okay, so here you will see some of the tabs on the left hand side as a sidebar. So basically is the tab widget, and you can switch the pages as well. Okay, then I have shown some of the grid layout at the top, like total users, revenue, active projects, task completed, etc. Just below I have shown some charts for the better UI. You can showcase your monthly users. Okay, and I have shown here the revenue growth. From the add-on plugin you can easily pick any widgets that you want. And just below I show some recent activity. It's static. Okay, currently it's the static version of this dashboard, but you can make it functional. And on the header you will see the logo, the welcome message along with the username, and this we have our logout button. Okay, so this is I have designed using the simple plugin which is Ultimate Member. Alright, now this was in the case of when the user gets login, but when the user is new and is registered just, and then he will get some nice effects. Okay, so let me show you that effect. So first let me just log out. Alright, now I'm going to just register the new user and will show you the dashboard entrance. So here I will put the credentials. So let's add the email, username. So I will use this email username. We'll set the password and let's confirm it. Alright, so create account. So here you can see a nice sparkle effects. Did you see that? Yeah, that's it. Alright, so that is only for the new user when it gets registered newly and will be landed directly on this nice dashboard where they can manage everything from here. Okay, and also set up the email template. So we'll share that email. We'll show you the preview of the email while when we start the tutorial. Okay, so this is the form that we are going to design throughout the tutorial, and just stay there and watch the tutorial completely. We'll move to the dashboard of the WordPress. So let's begin. So alright, here I am on the dashboard of the WordPress, and I just installed the WordPress freshly. Okay, now the very first step is that just install the required plugins. As usual, we will install okay, before that let's install the theme. So I will search for the Cadence, click on install, and activate it. Alright, the theme is activated. Now go to plugins and let's install the plugins one by one. First is an Elementor, and let's install this add-on plugins for the Elementors, also this premium add-ons. So next we will install our ultimate member. So here is our ultimate member, click on install. Alright, now let's install Pro Elements to enable all the Elementor Pro features. Okay, now go to plugin installer and we'll simply install all the plugins at once. So select the bulk option, click on install. Alright, so all the plugins have been installed successfully. Now go to pages, let's create the pages. First, okay, what we need, just go to ultimate member. So everyone is familiar with this ultimate member and know how to create the default pages. Here we don't need user page, we need alright, so I just forget here in the settings. Till now we used to create the pages for the particular section, like a user page, login, register, okay, and then we can redirect to the particular pages. Okay, so this time we will not create these pages because we are going to build a tabbed version of the login page, so we need only these shortcuts. Okay, so this is the first login. So this is the login page. Now first go to use settings, and we need one page which is the login page, where we will put all our forms. Then we need this logout page, and then we need this account page. And did you see that we don't need these pages, register and okay, also password reset page. Okay, we don't need these separate pages, we need this login page because we are going to put all the forms together on this single page, okay, which will be display on our home page. So that's why, to display this home page, so go to open the site, let's customize it, and here we'll set our default page as a static page, which is the login page. Okay, so here is the login page, click on publish. Now close this. Okay, so this is the login form. So on the right hand side, just click on apply to customize. Here you can set it to 700. Here show inside text field, login no, and everything will be as it is. Okay, just keep these settings as it is. We will make the more advanced setting inside the ultimate member plugin settings. Just cut this placeholder inside the placeholder, here as well, cut and paste. So this became our first login page. Click on update. Alright, not the okay, now what we have to do, just open the site, click on edit page, and here this will be Elementor canvas, save, and then edit with Elementor. And don't worry, we will be creating this from the scratch. Okay, because this could be difficult for you to design, so I'm going to make everything from the zero. So here we have our form ID, which is the login form ID. I will keep this or store this somewhere. Now delete it, container, and make it full width. Also add a container and select the main container and make this to v4 width, which is 100. Okay, and here justify content to center, also align item to center. Select this and make it full width. Select here px value and you can set to 400 or 500 something. Okay, now let's change the background color of this container. So go to style and we will set background as a gradient. Okay, so set the first color. I will name it as a color 1, and here set the other color as well and adjust the angle. Okay, that's it. Now here set the padding to 30 and background color to white. Also let's set the border radius 20. Alright, now what to do here? So first let's add one more container. Okay, no need to put any padding over here, make it 0 and alright, duplicate it. So we will have 2 rows in this and 1 column. Okay, so what we have to do here, almost we have to just select the main container, this we have to just remove this row margin to gaps to 0. Okay, and this is the first part, and go to style, change background type to gradient and set the color 1 and next color 2. Alright, I didn't save that color, so let's save that color first. Color 2. Now select this container and set the color to right. Change the angle something like this. Okay, now let's add the shadow, a nice shadow just behind this main container so that it will look out of this area. Okay, so go to style, border radius. So let's check. Let's change the opacity and increase the blur. Okay, so let's set the minimum height. So its minimum height could be 600. So its shadow is not visible. Let's increase padding, increase its opacity. Okay, that's perfect. Now for the first container, add some padding like 30. Okay, so we have to create something like this. Okay, let's change the angle for this. It is something like this. Okay. And you will see that at this top there is no border radius. So select this container, border, and set top to 20 and right to 20. Alright, and let's add the text. First heading, so welcome. And short text. Okay, let's change this style here from here and just the margin from top. Okay, now it's syncing perfect. And here set the justify content to center and center. All right, so in this next container we will add our form. So basically the form is in tab, so we will search here for the tab. Okay, and under the settings make this stretch and also select this container and change set padding to 0, and you will see that there is no gap in between the widgets. Okay, it's completely fitted. Now let's design this, style this tab. So here in the active we have the border, the bottom border, and hover effect, something like this. Okay, so first what we'll do here, go to style and first here just remove the gaps in between. Okay, and I will keep this background color, this dark color background. Let's change this hover color. Here we have the pointer color, here hover. Okay, and active we will keep the same color 1, but basically we need to add this add a border just below. Okay, for this active, so here border type will be solid, border width 2, and color will be this, and remove this background color. So don't need top, also right, we need only bottom. And here under this title, let's change the color to something black. Okay, like this. So let's add this color globally, text color, and let's, okay, that's perfect. Alright, So here we just finished the styling of this tab. Now let's add the form. So here let's copy the shortcut of the form. You will get this shortcut from this forms under the login. Okay, here copy this and search for shortcut and paste here. Sorry, put here and paste the shortcut inside here. Alright, it's been added. Now let's take a preview. Okay, click on publish. You need to open this in private mode so that it will look. So here is our login page. Okay, now but the original looks something like this, because this is a modified version and that is not modified. So it will be done easily by doing some modification inside the CSS of the ultimate member. Okay, so don't worry, I have already done this thing. So let's copy and paste inside the additional CSS. So go to appearance and customize and additional CSS, just paste this and that's it. Click on publish and check here. Okay, so it's so the form is transformed something like this. Let's add some padding. Like 20. Now it looks perfect. Alright, so we just forget to nomenclature these tabs, so let's do it. First we have login, then register, and then forget password. Alright, alright, so our ordinary form is now transforming in this professional form. So let's do the further steps. So let's add the social login. First we need to add the separator, continue with separator. So don't worry about that, I have already done the things. Let's add this first HTML widget. It's made using the SVG. Okay, not here. Inside this login, but remember that this container is for this tab only. This is for one and this is for this. Okay, the containers are separately assigned for the every tabs. Alright, so work accordingly. Okay, so let's add the continue with separator. Okay, so here I just copied this SVG code, select this widget and paste inside this HTML tag, and you will see we have this nice separator with continue with text. Okay, so I will provide everything inside the zip file, so you have to just copy and paste. Now after this we have to add some social icons just below it. Okay, and I think these two things will be same for all our tabs except this forget password. Okay, so let's add them. So basically this is inside this container. Okay, this undertime container. So when we switch it will disappear. Okay, so I will say add another container. Okay, from here just duplicate. Okay, so it can't be duplicate, let's add another one. Okay, just go to structure, and there this is the container. Okay, we have to move this outside the container. Okay, now it's on this right place. Now also move this here. Now when you switch, okay, so the problem occurs, it will also show inside the forget password. Okay, I will keep these two on every time. Okay, so let's continue. Now search for grid, this normal grid, and there. So we want first set the settings. First we want 3 columns and 1 row, and add the container, give some padding like 20. Okay, now search for icon box, sorry, for the icons first, and from here to style we have to set the icon position to left and this vertical element to center, and we have to remove this extra part. Go to style, let's reduce the size of the icon, we'll keep it something 25. First find the icon, this which is Facebook, title will be Facebook. Go to style and content, let's change the color for this. I will set this color also here. Okay, so I will match the color with the Facebook. Okay, so it will be similar color, and go to typography. So this is the title. Okay, 500, and we'll change the size. Select this container and justify content to center. I will make it 50%, 15 padding, and icon spacing like this. Okay, go to, now we have to add a nice border on this container. Select this container, under border it is to 10, and also we have to, okay, here border type to solid 1, and let's check the color. Okay, and another hover we will set the matching color, solid 1. Okay, now when you will hover, it will change the border color to the match this text color. Okay, so it will give you a nice effect. Now let's duplicate this. Alright, so it's quite bigger. Let's reduce the size of the icon and text. So it's perfect. Now just copy and paste the style. By doing this you can save a lot of time. Okay, now it looks good. Okay, the second we will set for the Google, which is G, and the color is something red. I will copy the same text, same color for the text, and also for the hover. So on this container, okay, so go to style and border under hover. So I will paste here. Okay, and the last one you can GitHub. Change the color to match the icon, standard color. So here GitHub is slightly black, so copy this and also go to icon, change the color, and now container color here under the hover, also paste here. Okay, now it's done. Publish, and let's preview on the incognito mode. Alright, so here we have, okay, so this is something we missed to add the hover color for this icon. Also we have some bigger gap in between, and we have to left some padding on the bottom, also here so much gap. So let's fix those things. Okay, so select this widget and bottom, also select this widget and reduce the bottom. Now let's check. Now it is perfect. Let's add the some margin from the bottom. First set the main container, or you can simply increase your height. Okay, so it will appear on every tab because we have set this outside this container. Okay, alright, so the next form is for our register form. For that we have to just paste the register form shortcut, which we'll find under these forms. Here, registration form, search for shortcut widget and paste. So that's it. Click on publish. Alright, so here we have to, you can set the one thing. If the user is registered, you can add any buttons over here to continue the account. Okay, you can manage the conditions or the user roles accordingly. Okay, you can also design those things. I have already done the similar in the previous video, so you can watch and implement here. Okay, so here let's refresh this, and we have something weird registered form because we haven't set up our form. Let's set up this first. Go to edit, and here set customize to yes. You can set here 600, and here show inside text field, and that's it. So here we don't need first name and last name. That was the things. Let's preview now. now looks perfect. Okay, let's match the margin from this first and also add some padding. So here, what was the padding? First step, here 20. Okay, also let's set the padding for this as well, 20, and here the bottom was -54. Alright, now let's check. So it looks perfect. Alright, now we just left with the forgot password. So how to do this? So it's very easy. You have to just go to pages, and last we had we did not create the page with the password. So go to settings and create password insert page. After creating, now let's enter inside this password reset page, and you will see this shortcut. Just copy this and paste here. Alright, so here we have our forgot password form. -54. Okay, now it's looking perfect. Alright, so this our form is ready. Okay, now let's publish this, and there is nothing over here. As you can see, the form is completely ready. Okay, and the main social logins are different because there is a different process. I already told you. Okay, let's proceed to the next part. So the next part is we have to create a nice user dashboard. Alright, now I will show you how to add this type of dashboard. Okay, if I start this it's designing from the scratch, then the video will be longer than expected. Okay, so it's very easy. I will introduce some widgets that I have used over here. Okay, and other things are very easy. So I will simply just import the template from the previously website. Okay, so we'll save a lot of time. Okay, now I will teach you how to import the template on the correct page. Okay, on this account page. So let's do that. First, explore the all pages. Make sure you have created the account page. Okay, this is the default page. Click on edit and you will see here the shortcut, which is my account. So currently we don't need this shortcut over here. We are going to create our own customized page. Okay, change the template to elementor full width. Click on save and just edit with elementor. Okay, now you will see this shortcut, just delete it. Now we will import our template. So here under this template, just select, okay, you can directly import, enable and import. This will copy the exact template or import the exact template from the previous design. Okay, it's successfully imported. Now click on insert. Alright, so here is our template. Okay, now there is a one mistake. Let's change the full width to elementor canvas. Okay, so that's why this header is showing. So under this setting, change from here to canvas. Let's correct some styling issues. Okay, so this is good, it's not looking perfect. Okay, so for this you can change the color from here. So it's published now, and you will see some color changes over here. Okay, so it's very easy to change these colors. From here you can change the text color, copy, paste style, okay. So here paste style. Now you will see here the background is empty. Okay, so let's go to structure under this container. So let's find out. Okay, this is the container where we need to change background. So go to style, and if the first color would be the color 1, second the color 2. Okay, and select this menu and change the color to normal color. Okay, titles to white. Also select hover and color to black. Okay, alright, so that was for this dashboard. Okay, now here, so I just pick up the widget as a chart. Okay, go to search for the charts and you will see here chart. Okay, and you can customize this chart from here, like data, axis, title, legends, etc. Also from this you can access the same data, because these both are the same chart widget. Okay, alright, so this was our account page. Now click on publish. Okay, now let's connect this page, and now I will teach you how to properly connect all the pages according to the user roles. Okay, so under the ultimate members advanced settings, so go to ultimate settings under this ultimate member, and there go to access, just ultimate and select user rules. Okay, and here if the your primary user is subscriber, editor, contributor, author or administrator, according to you have to change or update the settings. Okay, so suppose that the first primary user is subscriber. Okay, so click on edit, and here you will see a lot of settings. So we have to just find out the main settings, these registration options. So here if the user registered, it will get auto approve and it will redirect to a URL after registration. So either you can redirect to this directly dashboard or on the login page. Okay, so I want him to redirect to the direct account page, so I will just copy this link, okay, and paste here. So what does this mean? So it means that when the user is registered, it will be redirected to this account page. Okay, after login we will send to URL account and log out, go to home page. Okay, and other things will be as it is. Okay, you can access a lot of settings, okay, from here. Now here under priority, set to 100, click on update rule. Now let's take the trial. Okay, so I hope you understand. Now I will show you the sparkle effects where to add. Okay, so it's very easy process. Go to appearance and under this theme file editor, either you can access from here or you can access from the cpanel. Okay, just functions.php. so we have to put our code just below it, paste here. Okay, so in this is the type of code for this sparkle animation. Now click on update. Alright, so this is the issue because we have put this PHP tags. So remove all of the tag. And okay, this. Now update. Alright, it's successfully updated. Now let's test our form in incognito mode. Okay, so in this way I just landed directly in this my account. Okay, also you can just log out from here. That's it. So this was our user registration form. Okay, so I hope you understand this tutorial as usual. So in the next video I will be back with another interesting tutorial. Till then, goodbye, take care.